What's going on, Aries? Tapping in again. It's Larissa Tarot, honey. Tapping in, do a little reading with you. See what the current energy is for the month of April. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe because YouTube be tripping and they don't like to circulate my videos. And then people like to subscribe and unsubscribe, but whatever. But anyway, y'all be sure to like, share, and subscribe and comment below if you see anything that resonates for you. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Going to check into the current energy between you and your person Aries for the month of April. Spirit, give me a clear energy reading for Aries, month of April. Give me a clear message. Give me a clear message. Give me a clear message, Spirit. What is the current energy between Aries and that person, month of April? Okay. Okay. All right, out. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. Some of y'all may be pulling back right now or spending a lot of time to yourself. You feel like it's a rest well needed or well deserved. Now, in this energy that you may be in, Aries, I feel like you're not motivated right now to get things done, or some of you guys have possibly been like procrastinating something, or some of you may feel bothered by the idea that you just don't have any cares right now, or some of you don't care that you don't have any cares right now. And I feel like the reason for this, Aries, is because in this situation that you were in, you didn't ask to be pulled into a. I feel like there's a dramatic situation that you didn't ask to be in, and because you were pulled into it, you felt like you had to take the initiative to pull yourself out of it because it was so emotionally draining. Whoever this was that put you in this situation, Aries, I feel like it was very careless of them. I'm hearing very negligent. Okay. Whoever put you in this situation, I feel like they put you in this situation carelessly. They may have tried to. This person, I'm hearing led astray, but I feel like this person put the wrong notions in your head about something, or like they 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 put the battery in your back to do something. It's like they pulled you into a situation where you didn't have time to think. You just immediately reacted. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, though, I feel like this person is like heavily involved with with other situations, or like you've been pulled into a situation with this person's friends or family, perhaps. Um, this person may have tried to turn you and their family against each other, or you and their friends against each other. But whoever this is, they're like tied into other people. They may have, if these aren't other lovers that they were tied into, I feel like these were like friends or family. But whatever this situation is that they pulled you into that you didn't have a choice but to react to immediately, I feel like they're not taking accountability for their part in it. and there's a sense of indecision here, so I'm not sure if that's your energy or your person's energy just yet. What else, Spirit? Oh, some. All right, some fail. Okay, here we go. All right. Got 4 wands in reverse, 10 of swords in reverse, 2 of wands in reverse, magician in reverse. Ooh, 3 of pentacles in reverse. Aunt Caroline in reverse. You got to be kidding me. 2 more cards, Spirit. Knight of Cups and Devil card. Both of those are upright. Okay. I wonder if this person had you paying their bills or something. There's something about the home that you were responsible for. This person left you responsible for. Now, this may have been a situation where some of you guys were so. I feel like the reason why some of you guys are currently so unmotivated right now or just emotionally detached because you're afraid to invest your feelings back into the situation right now. I'm feeling like somebody's saying, I don't have it to give to you. So I feel like someone is showing that they. I feel like there's someone who simply doesn't have the energy to feed into a situation anymore because of what's happened in the past. I don't know why I'm feeling so tight around the throat right now, but I feel like I hope nobody was grabbed. But why do I feel like somebody was grabbed by their neck? I don't know where that came from. So take that as it resonates. I don't know. But a lot of you guys are still holding on to the situation that this person put you in. This situation again, I feel like it was tied up into other parties. Again, there's this fear of destruction. It's like, when you touch a stove and then you didn't know it was hot, or you touched the oven and the oven was like on 500 degrees, and you kind of bumped into the metal part of it with your arm, and it was hot and it burnt the piss out of you. But you're not gonna go back close to that oven and touch it again because it's hot, and it burned you the first time. Or at least that's what most people would think. I don't know, for some reason some people go right back to, I don't know. Anyway, but I feel like with both of these cards here, you got 10 of swords in reverse and you have 2 of wands in reverse. Both of those are indicating that you guys are in some sort of like just holding back, withdrawing out of fear of something. Something may have caused you some sort of trauma. I'm feeling like trauma from it. Some of you guys are traumatized. That's the energy there, traumatized. This person tried to use your weakness as a manipulation tactic with that magician there in reverse. It's like someone was able to I feel like some of you guys are just I feel like you keep. Why do I feel so frustrated about this right now? I feel like you guys can't come out and just say what's really going on to other people. Um, there may be some sort of embarrassment about how this person has such easy access to you, like how manipulative they were and you didn't see it. There may be some sort of guilt that you're having about that. With your 3 of pentacles there, that's someone who you try to confront about the issue, but they didn't listen. They chose whoever that is, whether these were other lovers or um other lovers or family members or friends that you kind of that you probably clashed with or something like that. But I feel like this person may have chosen them over you or looked over you for them, and something's not working out between your person and those people for some reason. There's some bad luck going on there. This may be some sort of karmic justice going on perhaps, or this person is just in a really lost state right now. But I really feel like there is some real there's some real tension between you and these other people for some reason. And I feel like I'd be as far as willing to say that whoever this person is dealing with or whoever they're dealing with, family, friends, lovers, I feel like they know of you and you know of them. Again, there's some sort of friction going on. I'm also feeling like your person your person was I feel like your person, this is a random thing right here, but I feel like your person is taking a lot of random photos with them or they have in the past, like as if they were trying to push it in your face, but they didn't want to work with you in this situation. They didn't want to listen to you. And because of that, there's some bad luck that this person has generated. Like there's bad karma that this person has generated because of this. This is also letting me know that if they are dealing with a past lover, this is a karmic lover. This karmic lover, this karmic lover is putting a lot of strain on your person as well right now. There's something between this karmic lover and your person that there's a lost here. There's something between them that was lost. And I also feel I'm hearing you have no, I'm hearing no, they have to pay. So that may be spirit, that may be the universe indicating that it's time for these two to pay back their karmic debt. They're paying back their karmic debt. Or I'm feeling like there's protection around you guys. And because of that, I feel as though, and you guys may have ancestors as well, stepping into the situation. But whatever it is, I feel like they're stepping, they're intervening in this situation. They're stepping in. I felt like they sat you down. I felt like they told you to go sit down and let us do our work. But whatever this is, they're going to go down with this person. I feel like this person has the tendency to try to feel like people need them, and then they try to come back into the situation and love bomb you or whoever they're with at that time. But when it comes down to having a real conversation, for some reason they don't want to discuss the real issue here at hand. This person can't make a decision between you and letting go of their toxic habits as well. So this karmic partner that they're with, you guys, I feel like this is someone who partakes in the same toxic traits as them, very low frequencies as them, and I feel like that's why they couldn't make a decision between you and them in the beginning, and I feel like that's why they chose this other person, or they're leaning towards this other person. But again, we're talking about the downfall of something. We're talking about addiction. We're talking about destruction. We're talking about unhealthy codependency, bondage. Like we're talking about unhealthy soul ties. Five of Wands. Yeah, y'all. Again, there's some sort of clash that's been happened between you and this third party. I feel if you guys haven't been if you have not encountered this person yet, Aries, you're about to, or at least you have in the past. If y'all haven't crossed paths yet, you will. All right, so you got Eight of Cups in reverse, and then you've got Two of Swords in reverse. Again, this was the wrong. I mean, I can't figure out a better way to illustrate this for you guys. I mean, again, indecision, other parties, addiction, karmic partners, gossip, bickering, clashing, making the wrong decision, unable to see the truth in a situation. And I feel like they've done this with this person for too long. Why do I feel like someone's a redhead or somebody's got red hair? Someone may be fair skinned. Someone is jealous though. Someone is really jealous. Someone may be even willing to go as far as to try to conjure up some dark energy against you. So my best advice is to protect yourself, Aries. But there's some sort of vengeance that I feel like someone's going to try to get. You may have embarrassed this person at some point. You may have said something or proved something. To embarrass this person. Strength card in reverse. Like you made them look weak. You embarrassed them. Thank you, Spirit. Come through. Woo! I'm telling you. And the funny thing is when you're saying this and you're speaking from your intuition, like the cards come right out. I wasn't sure where this reading was going at first, but I know there's some drama between you and this person. Or at least, if you have not encountered this person, trust and believe they know about you. They may be even be going as far as to be talking about you to somebody. Five of Cups in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse. Some of you guys, you struggle for a really long time with working with this person and trying to come to some sort of peace. I'm hearing peace offering, but there's some sort of acceptance that you feel like you don't have any other choice but to have. And see, this person, this Knight of Swords in reverse, this person didn't back you up. Again, Three of Cups, this person's dealing with a whole bunch of people. And this card right, I'm going to put it up right. But you see this card right here? It just seems like they're dealing with a lot of different people. Look at all those hands reaching out to her. They didn't take up for you. So this may be like some baby mama drama. I don't know. But you clash with this person, or this person did something to you, Aries, and your person didn't take up for you, or your person didn't make the right, your person made the wrong decision in not standing up for you. And they didn't take accountability for the fact that they're in the center of all of this. They may have been going like back and forth between you and this person, like instigating stuff. They put this person against you. They tried to make this person there's more so jealousy of this. But whatever this is, this person took a low blow to you, and this third party tried to take a low blow, and your person didn't do the right thing, and your person wasn't like, okay, this is wrong. You can't do this. They didn't do that. They just let the person do it. Ooh, buddy. And baby, I wouldn't even be surprised if this third party was tied into other people as well. Just saying. But see, with this devil card here and this hermit card, why do I feel like your person is trying to walk away from this as well? See, in the beginning, everything was spicy between them. In the beginning, I'm hearing self-indulgence. In the beginning, it was exciting. And now, this person is having to go to work. This person is having to take responsibility. Look how hard he's working. He's out there in the woods, y'all, collecting whatever he needs to collect. But regardless, this person, he's off to himself. Your person, again, wouldn't take that accountability. So something happened. Honey, I wonder if that third party gave them a taste of their own medicine. And because of something happening, it forced this person to reflect upon themselves because they never took accountability in the beginning. I heard the cops something at night, but I see police car sirens. I see the lights flashing, but it's at night. Somebody may have called the cops on the other person too far. Something went too far. Subdue. It causes you to change. What's that guy's name? I don't know why that song popped up in my head. I'll think of it later. But for some of y'all, the cops were called into this situation, and this cuckoo bird here may have put their hands on your person, Aries. Somebody put their hands on somebody, or this may have been y'all. This may be a reason why a lot of y'all have stepped away, because this cuckoo bird right here, and somebody doesn't want to catch a court case, or that somewhere the cops were involved. It's making sense now. It's making sense. There was a fight going on. Somebody, the cops were called. And in some sense, somebody, this lit the fire up under you, Aries. Literally, fire sign. But I feel like this lit the fire up under you, put the fire up under your butt to make you move on with it. Like, it's not worth going to jail over. But I feel like somebody had to be subdued. I feel like someone wouldn't calm down. Someone was put in handcuffs. I see someone being laid on the floor in handcuffs. I see there's blood on the face. And hard breathing. Somebody is sweaty. There's blood. There's handcuffs, and someone is laid out on the ground on their stomachs. Oh gosh. That is traumatizing. And anybody would stay to themselves after that. You're probably, or someone's not allowed to hang around the general population for a while, maybe. Or what's this? Or someone may have been advised to stay away. The cops may have advised you or someone to stay away. I feel like it was you, Aries. Oh yes. I feel like your person came back around and tried to offer a romantic connection with you again. I felt like you felt a sense of betrayal because this other person, this third party, wasn't having it. I feel like you embarrassed this third party, and I felt like they did something to sabotage you. They know your weaknesses because of what your person told them, and they tried to use that against you. What's this on the bottom? Okay, let's see here. That's that communication again. You got your Eight of Wands again. That's that communication coming through. Healthy, happy communication, no. But again, I feel like there was that romantic visitor who came back into the situation. You wouldn't do something that they wanted you to do, or oh, excuse me, you expressed to them that you weren't going back down that path with them, and because of that, they got pissy and petty, and that made them feel embarrassed as well. So they went back to that third party, trying to make you jealous, trying to make it seem like there was like a missed opportunity because they didn't want to put in the work with you. And it's not that you're a complicated person. It's just they didn't feel like taking on that role. They didn't feel like taking that accountability, doing the work in this situation. I feel like your person may have publicly recognized this third party over you. Like I feel like they wouldn't give you that title, but they gave that other person a title and they claimed them publicly to get under your skin. Is my battery getting low? I think it is. Hold on. Let me try to where's that charger? There it is. All right. We're gonna just charge that up real quick. And boom. Okay. But yeah. Yeah, whatever it is, they didn't want and I feel like that's where a lot of that betrayal, sorry y'all, I need to stretch my leg. I feel like that's where a lot of the betrayal is coming from because I feel like this person gave you the runaround and try to make it seem like, oh well, there's nothing between me and them, and I'm just trying to handle my responsibilities and I'm just trying to co-parent with them, and it's not even like that. It's not even like that. See, I can't even trust you, and you doing this, and they try to deflect off on you, and all the whole time there was this hidden agenda. It was really a sense of jealousy because they couldn't get what they wanted out of you. This person just I'm hearing for the thrill because you're sitting there trying to figure out why would you take us through this. This person had a lot of patience with this third party as well, but I felt like they held you to this unrealistic standard. They try to make it seem like, I felt like after a while, this person tried to gaslight you and try to make it seem like that they were going to go ahead and make it work um, with this other person. This other person they could have possibly had like a family with, or this could have been like a family member. But I feel like they tried to make it seem like they chose this other person when they were still going back and forth between you two. And I feel like this other person tried to push it in your face as well, like, aha, I won. You know, you didn't win, honey. Somebody got put in handcuffs. Oh Lord, what is this? Someone likes to look like they're the leader in a situation, or they have to have control in all situations, in all forms. That's exactly how I heard it. Someone's feeling like, or at least someone's come. This is what it is. Your person that we're talking about here. This is someone who tries to take on a leadership role in all situations, trying to make it seem like they're the provider. Um, ooh, they're fighting over me and da 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 da. Like I feel like your person gets off on that. Right now, I'm feeling like you guys. I heard fuck it. I feel like that was the final straw, and you're not giving any more energy into this situation, at least not right now. I don't feel like you have kids with this person, Aries. I feel like this person has kids with this other party. If it is a lover, it may be a family, I don't know, but you're dealing with a petty hoe. Somebody got put in handcuffs. I know. I had to say that. What happened, Aries? If nobody's been put in handcuffs, someone at least threatened to call the cops. Oh, that's not funny. Whew. That's not funny at all. Why are you laughing, Chanel? I don't know, because I can. All right, let's look at some. Oh, no, let's keep going. What are some final messages, Spirit, that you have for Aries in the month of April? What are some final messages that you have for Aries in the month of April? What are some final messages that you? Okay. All right. Downloads at night. Speechless. Hey, have y'all ever? Some of you are familiar with the term of sleep paralysis. I feel like something's happening at night. I wouldn't be surprised if this person is trying to send like spiritual attacks, but I feel like, well, anyway, sleep paralysis. For those of you who don't know, it's this state of like your brain is woke, but your body is still asleep, sort of thing. So what's happening is you're having the scientific way of looking at it is, you start having these what's the word? Um these illusions, I guess. It may seem like someone is standing over you. It may seem like something's in the corner. You may be hearing stuff, but you can't move. You can't speak, and you're frightened. Some of y'all might be having like sleep paralysis. For some of that, some of y'all need to start sleeping with your heads propped up. Stop sleeping on your stomach and stop eating before you go to sleep. But for the other half of y'all, I feel like this could be something spiritual here. I feel like someone's trying to send you spiritual attacks at night at your most vulnerable. Some of you guys need to sleep with protection, whether that's your Bible or um I see white pearls. I don't know what that is. Maybe somebody's necklace or something, or maybe someone who passed away, like a necklace. All right. So the time is now. Yeah, y'all are deciding like, hey, okay, this is the worst it has been. I have to go. Is it too late? You're feeling like, okay, some of you guys may be feeling like, well, shoot, we've done all this, or this may be this person. This person may be feeling like, well, we've gone this far. Is it too late to fix things? Or I feel like for a minor bit of you guys, this person may be thinking, in the end, if it hasn't happened now, I feel like it's in the back of this person's mind that you're dealing with. They've seen the ugly in someone. The cops may have even been called on them. We don't know. Well, I don't know, but you know. But they may have determined that, man, I was really safe with Aries, but they're not speaking right now either. There's no communication. There may be a case significant to this person's name. Ugh. And I tried to make you jealous. I just said that earlier. I'll be back. I don't even have to explain that. Overeating. Somebody's overeating. Or is it you? Is it this person? Has someone been gaining weight? A karmic child. I said that too. They may have a family with this person. Evil coochie. Whatever that means. Soul snatcher, evil coochie, STD coochie. I don't know. The end. Is someone reaching the end of this situation? Is this the end of you guys? Is this the end between them and the other party? Possibility. Stop waiting for an apology though, because that's what's keeping you in the loop. You still want that apology because of that betrayal, because you offered them the sweetest love that you've ever given anyone in your life. You sacrificed so much for this person as well, and that's why you feel so betrayed. Stop taking on others' pain. What about your pain? This person didn't reciprocate that energy back to you. Again, a lot of y'all stepped away from relationships. You got your heart on pause because you're trying to heal from this knife that they put in your back. This person is still reminiscing about you, though. I'm telling you. This person, they're seeing what kind of cuckoo bird they were dealing with. He or she lets me cheat in peace because they were cheating too, probably. And fools rush in. See, what happened between your person and this third party Aries is that when they first met, this wasn't, hey, I love you, let's get in a relationship. This was physical. And they rushed into the situation, and there was codependency going on, and they sunk into it, and they couldn't get out of it. That's what I got for you. All right, Aries. That's your current energy for right now. If you see anything that resonates with you, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Please be sure to check the other signs in your chart. There may be a message there. And y'all, please take care of yourselves. All right. Love you. B. See you next time. B. Bye, Aries. B. B.